All right, so we're changing the coolant for the GSXR 600 2006. I'm pretty sure it works for any bike. It's the same concept, I'm pretty sure. I actually just changed the coolant 3-4 days ago, but it spilled out just because I didn't tighten this right. That's it. So it's spilling out. Now I have to spend 60 bucks on some coolant using this one right here. I'll show you guys how to do it. First thing, on both the fairings, I didn't take it all the way out. You just need access to this. What you want to do is just take this out so it has an easier time to drain. There you go. And now you're gonna get a 10 millimeter. Whichever bike you got, check it out. But you just want to drain this out. I always wear gloves, but there you go. 40 bucks just gone. I still have coolant, but everyone kind of telling me that I couldn't mix or anything. Well, it's actually not that much. Wow. It's actually crazy. I'm actually glad I'm doing this. Okay. Next thing you want to do, you want to drain the hoses. There's 2 of them. I'm gonna take out the fairing, but take those out, drain it. I'm gonna try to show it, but I don't really have a stand or anything. But it's just these 2. It's just like a Phillips screwdriver. Easy. All right, so took the bolt right here out. Drained both of these. Get as much as you can. After that, you need to hose down everything. So you want to flush it. Pretty much just put a hose right here. Should be coming out the other side. Alright, so I'm gonna put the tubes back in there. Do it again to make sure I get it out of the water pump. And then we should be filling it up. Right, tightened everything up. The bolt's still gone. Drain it again. It's not 1000% necessary, but then you get to see if you put the hose right. There's no leaks. Alright, no leaks. So next step, I see different information on it, but this reservoir, fill it about halfway. This one, pretty much all the way up right here. That's it. All right, so we're ready to fill it. Just make sure, don't forget the bolt, or else you're pretty much pissing away 60 bucks. So we're doing that. Not too tight. All right, I put about halfway on this one. I'm gonna fill this one up. It looks like I only need one of these, but I'm not too sure yet. So it's right at the top. Definitely bubbling though, so you need to rip it out. And you just what you're gonna do is squeeze these, just get all the air out. I'm gonna grip out this one too. You see some bubbles. I don't see anything. All right, so everything looks good. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna run the bike for a bit. Then I'm gonna see if it starts bubbling up. You know, I'll get rid of all the air in there. That should be it. So coolant went down a bit. I didn't see any bubbles, so I'll fill it up a little more. Alright, so top it off. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna cap it. Turn it on. I'm gonna let it run for a bit and make sure this is the right way. Push it in there. Kind of tricky. Boom. Shouldn't have any play on both sides to begin there. That's where I messed up, so trying to help everybody out. Cool in there. Cool. Alright, so let's run it for real. Looks good. Yeah, I kind of stalled out of this one a little bit. See that cap out. Looks good. This is normal, like when you first started off in the morning, like it'll kind of smoke up a bit. I guess the moisture builds up in the bottom. So some to know, I guess.